Walking helps reduce the risk of all chronic diseases and is considered a wonder drug by many doctors and physicians. What makes walking the best form of exercise for your health is the fact that it goes easy on your heart and joints and, therefore, has a larger impact on your overall health. Strenuous exercise may have bigger and faster impacts on your body, but it can also cause harm on your joints and bones. Healthy Hacks has gathered a few health benefits that walking on a daily basis can bring to your body and mind. 1. Walking regulates blood pressure. 40 minutes of walking daily reduce the levels of blood pressure in people with hypertension. Those who chose to walk these 40 minutes all at once saw a drop of 5 points in their blood pressure, while those who chose to take 4 separate 10-minute walks saw a drop of 3 points. The doctors who conducted the study say that it is important for everyone to make the choices that suit them better to get the results they want one way or another. 2. Walking fights breast cancer in women. Its researchers have found that 7 hours of walking per week reduces the risk of breast cancer after menopause by 14%. The women who chose to walk more than 7 hours per week and in a faster mode had 25% less chance of being diagnosed with breast cancer. The study strongly suggests that there is a strong link between physical activity, particularly walking, and keeping breast cancer away. 3. Walking reduces the risk of diabetes. A study that was published in 2012 suggests that walking 3,000 to 7,500 steps per day can be effective in treating or preventing type 2 diabetes. Also, the study advises people to take breaks in between long hours of sitting and to take small walks, or do a few exercises that suit their body. In other words, walking reduces blood sugar levels, which are in charge of causing type 2 diabetes. 4. Walking helps produce vitamin D. That vitamin D is highly connected with brittle bones, fractures, and difficulty in walking. One effective way to get enough vitamin D is to walk 15 to 30 minutes a day while the sun is still out. This way, you create a strong shield against cancer, multiple sclerosis, and diabetes. Just don't forget to wear sunscreen. 5. Walking increases creativity. A study that was conducted by researchers from Stanford University found that the creativity of a person rises while they walk and for a short time after they finish. The environment didn't play a role itself since walking both indoors and outdoors boosted creativity. Many people said that they come up with all of their best ideas when they are walking.